Hey, what did he say about us when he was reviewing us? That he wasn't satisfied? I don't know. We better go and check out his video for ourselves. Let's see. Oh, here's our video. Pretty much am not sure if I really like it. I may as well just take it apart after some time. What? It's gonna take us apart? We better get out of here. Ever be able to open that door to escape? Okay, well, I think I'm gonna make another mock now. I'll need to start off with the. Oh, I'm out of the main body pieces. I know how to fix that. I'll just go over and get the. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I was sure that I brought it up after